Welcome back, YouTube. So I figured I would just throw this one on here. Welcome back, welcome back. Make sure you like and subscribe and share, please. Let's keep the channel growing and moving. So I have a hunt for basic brake service, front pads and front rotors. Everything's apart. So I'm gonna start installing this. And I don't put the little safety screw back in that goes here. I don't do that. But what I do, let's see if I can just keep it going here. All right, check the hardware. Nothing like OEM hardware that's not worn out. So we're gonna put the caliper bridge back bracket up. You may not be able to see, but don't worry. This is for video purposes only. So you see the squeal indicator here, or the noise device that they rivet to the brake pad? What position do you installers install them in? Well, some have multiple. So if it only has one, what I like to do is put it just like that. So this at the top side, okay, right here, the top side of the caliper bracket. I'm not sure if it makes much of a difference because I've seen them come in many different ways. And you see here the outboard one doesn't come with it, but every manufacturer is a little different than OEM. This also has the spring spreader for these. My opinion is it's optional. Some vehicles have it, some vehicles don't. You should put it back the way that it came. And what that helps is pull the pads off of the rotor. I'm not showing you how to do the brake job. I was just questioning, where do you guys place the squeal indicator on your brake pad, your brake job? Thanks for watching. You don't even know what a squeal indicator is.
Yeah, it's a fucking little thing.
I always
put it on the back.
You always put it on the inside and up?
Yeah.
Very good. That's where I put it. But I want to see out in YouTube land what they do. Thanks for watching.